warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nurul Ayani from TBI Class D. In this video, I will explain the reflection of meeting 5, that is teaching media for teaching listening skill. The first is definition. Listening is assumed to be passive skill. It is receptive skills. However, this is not the case. To clarify, listening is defined in various ways. From Nicholas, 1888, says that listening is an active process in which the listeners play a very active role in constructing the overall message that is ultimately exchanged between the listener and the speaker. The listener must be active to construct the message of the speaker is saying from what we hear. And then there are several variations of teaching media for listening skill. Namely is radio, podcast, and internet. Those are some kinds of teaching media that are good to use for teaching listening skill. And then the method of teaching media for teaching listening skill are dictation, information, gap activities, multiple choice listening, and jigsaw listening. And then there are also strategies used in teaching media for teaching listening skill, namely top-down processing, schema activation, predicting and inferencing, and bottom-up processing. The benefit of all these are create a person for learning, more direct interaction between student and learning research, allowing students to learn independently according to their visual, auditory, and kinesthetic talent and abilities, and the learning process contains 5 communication components: teacher or communicators, learning material, learning media, student and or communicants, and learning objective. And then the goals of teaching media for teaching listening skill is there improve communication, increase learning, and strengthen bonds between people. There are several strengths and weaknesses that exist in teaching media for teaching listening skill. The strengths are it's able to develop the imagination of the listener and focus the students' attention on the use of words, sound, and their meanings. Suitable for teaching music and language. Language cannot be separated from this media, especially to train listening. And then able to influence the atmosphere and behavior of students through background music or background or sound effect. While the weaknesses are the nature of communication is only one way. Presentation with sound only relies on one of the 5 senses. And then lack of control over content and language complexity. I think that's enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You don't even